Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional Facebook post using Canva, step by step. It only takes a few minutes, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make posts that look polished and eye-catching. So, let's get started. First things first, go to Canva's website and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to create one. Once you're signed in, look for the search bar at the top and type Facebook post. This will filter out all the right size templates so your design fits perfectly on Facebook. No awkward cropping, no resizing issues. Now, scroll through the available templates and pick one that fits your style or message. Maybe something clean for business or colorful for a personal post. Remember, your template sets the tone, so choose something that visually matches your brand or story. Once your template opens, it'll load in Canva's editor. This is where all the creative work happens. You can change the background color, swap out photos, or adjust layout elements. Just click on anything you want to edit. Try keeping your brand colors consistent. It helps build recognition and makes your post look more professional. Next, update the text. Click on any text box and replace the sample words with your own message. Make sure your font is readable, not too small, and stands out from the background. Adjust the color or size if needed. You can also try Canva's font combinations. They're great for matching headlines with supporting text. Once you're happy with your design, head to the top right corner and click Share or Download. Choose PNG or JPEG for the best quality, then download it to your computer or post it straight to Facebook without leaving Canva. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional Facebook post using Canva. Ready to share and grab attention. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe for more quick design tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy designing!